This is the Fscan, and there are power cables, sensors, main machine, connectors, and belt. There are two types of sensors, 50 psi and 125 psi. This one is 50 psi, is for people with weight less than 80 kilograms, and the other one is for people with weight above 80 kilograms. This is the Fscan main machine. We have to connect the power to turn it on. The machine works for Fscan, Fsocket, and Conformat. Plug the cables to turn the machine on. Make sure to see the LED light is on. Do the same thing to the other cable and see the light turns on as well. We then connect the cable to channel 1 and channel 2. Make sure to hear click sound. When the cables are connected, you can see the LED lights from the inside. Next is the connector. To connect the cable to the sensors, we have to plug it to connect it. You can see the LED light turn on. After that, we connect the sensors to the connector. Until you see the LED light turns on. Then we wrap the belt around the leg. Make sure it's not loose. Then we do the same to the other leg. Next, we put the sensors on the shoes or sandals. Here we use the sandals. And make sure to attach the connectors to the belt securely. Then we go to the laptop and look for Fscan software. We have here is Fscan Research. And then we see the pop-up to find already available patients or create new patients. And then we fill in the name, and then we fill the date of birth, we choose the gender, and fill the body weight. And then we click OK. After making the new patient, we can select it from the patient list. Select the patient and click Open Patient. And then we select New Movie. And then we click Acquisition Parameters, where you can adjust the duration, the frequency, delay recording, and the noise threshold. Make sure the noise threshold is below 6. Then we click OK and close. If you see both legs are left or both legs are right, you can readjust the sensors and make sure it's aligned. Now you see the sensors are adjusted. Here we have the left and the right. Then we can go to Option and adjust the measurement units. We can change the units of length to centimeters, unit of force to kilograms, and unit of pressure to kPa. We can also adjust them to different measurement units. And then we click OK. After that, we should calibrate the sensors. We can adjust the weight according to subject's body weight. And we click Step Calibration, and we set the calibration of the left and the right sensors. First, we calibrate the right foot. We click Start, we wait, and after finished, we click OK. And then we calibrate the left foot. We click Start as well. The calibration data is saved inside a folder that you have set. After we've finished the calibration process, we can go to calibration and load the calibration step we just made. First, we calibrate the left foot, and then we calibrate the right foot. And then we click OK. We can try moving while wearing the sandals to check whether the sensors are working. Here we are trying the sensors. And then we can start the recording. Click over the red button, and then we wait. And then we can start walking until approximately the first minute, around 21,000 frames, before we stop the recording. And after the first minute, we stop the recording. Next, we have to save it. But before saving, we need to make sure which data is to be saved. If it is the right leg, make sure to click the right leg. And then go to File and select Save to ASCII. Select the whole movie. And again, make sure to see the R on the file info. It means right leg. Then we click OK. Then we name the recording according to our own rule. For example, 80, 10, 1, which means 80 mmHg pressure, 10 minutes duration, and first minute record. Finally, we click Save. The format is .csv. We then wait until the file is saved. That makes the whole steps for starting and running the Fscan. Beside Fscan, TechScan can be used on Conformat too. This is the Conformat to measure the pressure during sitting. And this is Rojo Cushion, a device to relieve some pressure. This is Rojo. During the test, we will put this Rojo cushion on the wheelchair. And we put the Conformat on top of the Rojo cushion. Next, we connect the conformat sensor to the connector until the LED light is on. Make sure both the lights are turned on. We can try sitting on the wheelchair to start the conformat. Now we go to the laptop. Choose the conformat software. The blue area is the real-time pressure measurements. We can try to press on the conformat and see the pressure. During sitting, the real-time pressure can be seen and recorded. However, first we need to set some parameters and calibrate it before using it. You can also go to Data Acquisition and adjust the duration, frames to record, period, and frequency, as well as delay recording and noise threshold. However, the calibration part in this video is not finished yet. Until the completion video later on, thank you for watching.